Hello guys, Nijani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam dung Azana Jezile, and I'd really love it if you would subscribe to the channel. It is a good time here, I promise. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. Lastly, please do not skip them ads, Kesana. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful, dewy, long-lasting, sweat-proof makeup look. I look like a filter. I look like I have a filter on, and I want to share with you guys the secret. I want to share with you guys the hack that I've been using to make my makeup look like this, because I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I'm out here struggling, wondering how do people do certain things. But ever since I found this hack, my makeup's really, it is sitting. I can wear this the whole day and I won't sweat at all. I have trialed and I have tested it and I swear by it, and today I want to share with you guys this beautiful makeup look. Okay guys, let us get into this makeup look. The very first thing that I use as a primer, this is the secret, this is the hack into getting my makeup to last the whole day. The product that I use as a primer, it is right here. It is milk of magnesia, and this is what I use as a primer. This is the girl that she thinks she is. A lot of makeup artists use this as a primer, and it gives calamine vibes, so it really prevents you from sweating. So let us get into it. Very important, you have to shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. It's a bit too much. You can put this all over your face, or you can concentrate it on the areas that get super oily. Personally, my T-zone gets very oily. So I'm gonna put a lot of product on my T-zone, my forehead, my nose, my chin. I get oily in these areas, and then the excess I'll just put it all over. Just do a thin layer all over my face. Let's make sure that we have enough product on my nose, because it's shine for no reason. So wait a couple of minutes for this to dry. I'll show you guys when it's dry, and then we'll go and move on to our foundation. I look very crazy, but ibanjena guys, this product, when it's dry, I definitely did too much, definitely overdid it, but a little goes a long way. But you have to wait for it until it's like this. Then now we're gonna go with our foundation, and the foundation that I use, it is Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation by Maybelline. I'm the shade 350. I believe this is caramel and caution. Please don't tell me I'm running out. I'm gonna blend kesanolam. I'm gonna blend this baby out properly off camera, because I want to look at myself in the mirror, girl. And then we're gonna do our concealer. So I'm done blending out the foundation off camera, and this is what it looks like. I don't know what this primer, it's not an actual primer, but I've used it as a primer. I don't know what milk of magnesia does, but it makes the look very full coverage. And this is gonna sit like this the whole day. Oh, this is not upside down, but it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. And then to highlight, I also use LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this one is in the shade pure beige. And I'm concealing. I like to give myself a facelift by doing that. This teaches a facelift. And then pure beige and ndimsebenzisa in the corners, in the corner of my eye, because I want to brighten up that area. Put it over here, put it over here. The trick to letting your concealer show up is not to move it around a lot. Just blend it where you want it to be. Can you guys see? It's definitely showing up because I'm not moving it around too much. This is the concealer blended out. I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but just trust the process, okay? This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna use powder to set it in place, and this is the powder that I like to use. This is the Quick Face perfecting rather loose powder. Let us put this on, and then I'm gonna add some color to my face. I'm gonna use this brown shade over here all over my lid, and then I'm gonna use it to contour my nose. So I did a couple of things off camera. I did my dots. I've got some beauty spots there. Makeup covers it, so I always just draw it back because I don't want to hide that. I did my liner, and yeah, this is what we look like. I look like a ghost right now in the kungu, but you know what? It will all work out at the end, okay? So now I want to use mascara. This is the one that I use from Quick Face. Don't sleep on Quick Face, okay? Do not sleep on Quick Face. You get Quick Face stuff at Mr. Price. Love them loads. And funny bend the video, that's why I keep on doing other things off camera. I just want this video to be nice, short and sweet, straight to the point, and fun bend the look. But oof. Now we're gonna do my favorite part. We're gonna use setting spray, and setting spray is also from Quick Face Gesan. I love this so much. This is one of my favorite products. If you're wondering from this whole makeup look, the things that you should buy to get the perfect base, these are the two products I would recommend. The primer that I've used, as well as this baby. I love this. As you guys can see, I've been using it. You see how my face looks like right now? It's super dry. It looks nice, but it's dry. It's matte, and I don't like this matte look. Personally, I don't like it. I want my makeup finish to be like skin-like. So I'm gonna spritz this all over my face. Wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna come back and do our lips. Just realized that I forgot to do my brows. And off with it got to be glue. This is the one for brows and edges. I did a, what do you call it? I don't want to say collaboration with them on Instagram, but I don't know what to call it. But this will keep my brows in place the whole day because it's a glue. So I like this fluffy look for my brows, and I'm not using too much because this one doesn't have a lot of product. For the lips, you guys already know I'm gonna use my favorite. This is All Women Longwear lipstick, lip stain from Foschini. The name of the shade is Addiction. And then I go in with my Maybelline in the shade 20 Pioneer. This is what it looks like. Pioneer. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but this is the final look. This is my go-to summer makeup look if I want my makeup to last the whole day, and it's also sweat proof. Absolutely love it. Love it loads, Kesana. Love it loads. And andikho qhunqu andiqwebanga. I look dewy, and this is how I'm gonna look the whole day. I'm not gonna look sweaty. I'm not gonna sweat. My makeup is not gonna melt. Absolutely love it. So do check out Milk of Magnesia if you want your makeup to be long lasting. If not, you can skip that step. And yeah, I feel like this makes me look like a walking, talking filter. Okay, it makes me look and feel like I have a filter on, because if I take pictures, the face, it's giving. Okay, it is giving what it's supposed to give, because ayo, and I'm not a makeup artist at all, get all. Look, I have Milk of Magnesia here. You know, guys, ndimhle. I don't want to lie to you. Ndimhle, I mean, look at me. Look at me, Kesan.